Hey guys, I hope you're fine. I'm trying to teach today the trigonometry, and I'm going to explain how to find the sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree, and so on the reciprocal. Now let's say we are having the four coordinates. Yeah, we have the four coordinates. This is 0 degree, this is 90 degree, 180 degree, and another one is 270 degree, and this one is 360, which is becoming 0. Yeah, so one coordinate, two coordinate, three coordinate, and four coordinate. Okay, so now we understood this one. Now over here we have what? We have x, we have y. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. This again x, sometimes they used to call it x dash, or over here the another one, the top one is y, the down one they used to call it y dash. Now what it means, so let's say if we want to represent this point, what we're gonna do, x is equal to, let's say it has some value. Yeah, it has some value, they used to call it as 1, and over here y is equal to 0. Let's say if you're taking this point, so we have the x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So the same thing over here, and both are positive. So for 0 we don't have any sign. Now let's go to y. Yeah, so for y over here, if you see the x coordinate is equal to 0 over here for this point. So in this point, if we take y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0, because x is existing over here and y is taking 1, and both are plus, correct? So over here it's plus, and over here it's plus. Now let's come to this point. If we are having this side of the coordinate as plus, then this side is as negative. What do you mean by this? In here the x is taking as -1, and y is what? Is equal to 0. Why I'm explaining this? In order to keep later on for these values the minus and plus. I will explain that later. I'm just trying to explain this one. Now let's come to this point. In this point, which one is taking 0 and which one is taking 1? Can you please explain this at this 270? Let's come to this point. Let's say the point is over here. Yeah, so x is equal to 0. Yeah, and y is equal to, the plus 1 is in the top. Yeah, that side is the positive, and this side, the down one, is negative. So means over here what we are taking? -1. Yeah, so again it's coming to the same point. Now you understood this one? So this is very basic concept, you should understand this one. Now let's come to this point. Now, so we have sine, we have cosine, we have tangent. Yeah, so we are trying to find the angle for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay, sounds good. Now we understood this one. Now what we gonna do? Let's count this one. This is 0. Yeah, this one, let's count it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's consider the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now plot in here, write down 0, okay, 1, okay, 2, okay, 3, 4. Once you wrote down all these things, what is the maximum value between 0 to 4? The maximum value is 4. Okay, so divide all of this by 4. after multiplying all, after dividing, sorry, after dividing all by 4, take the roots. Okay, so now you're done with this. Now, for sine of 0, the root of 0 is what? The root of 0 is 0. Yeah? Any number divide by any number, yeah, the top is 0. Any number divide by that is what? 0. So the sine of 0 is 0. You got this? Let me explain this. 0 by 4. Yeah? So root of 0, root of 4. What's root of 0? Is 0. Root of 4 is 2. So any number which is coming in denominator and we are having 0, it's what? 0. So it's 0. So sine of 0 is 0. Now, sine of 30 degree, what's that? What's root of 1? Is 1. What's root of 2? 4. 2. So sine of 30 degree is 1 by 2. Now let's come to this point. What's root of 2? We will keep it as this. What's root of 4? Because we need to find this one. It's like it's coming in the part of imaginary point, yeah? And what's root of 4? It's 2. Now, what's root of 3? We will keep it as it is. What's root of 4? 2. Now, 4 by 4. 4 by 4. 1. Yeah? So what's root of 1? It's 1. Now see, sine of 0 is 0. Sine of 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sine of 45 degree is root 2 by 2. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degree is 1. Now, if you're trying to find for this one, for cosine, what you gonna do? Just write all over the values that you're having in here. Just do it in this way. What do you mean? Bring 1 in this side. Bring root 3 by 2 from that side. Bring all and keep it all in this side. Again, after this, what we have? This one. So write it this. After this, what we have? This one. 1 by 2. Bring it in here. After this, what we have? 0. It's completely opposite of this. One time we are going this way, then after it you're keeping everything in this side. You got this? Now see, cos of 0 is 1. Cos of 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree is root 2 by 2. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Cos 90 degree is 0. Now for tangent. If you remember, what's tangent? Tangent is sine by cosine. Yeah? So what you gonna do in here? Divide sine by cosine. Yeah? So 0 by 1. So 0 by 1 is what? 0. Now, divide this by this. 1 by 2. Divide by root 3 by 2, which is 1 by 2. And another one is 2 by root 3. Yes? This into this over. Now, we are having 1 by root 3. Yes? So in order to get cancelled with this one, what we gonna do? We're gonna do it this way. Yes? So what we gonna do? In here now we have root 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Yeah? So root 9 is what? 3 into 3. So root of 9 is what? 3. Keep this over here. Yeah? Now, root for tangent 45 degree. What's that? This one. Root 2 by 2 divided by root 2 by 2. What it becomes? All becomes 1. Keep this as 1. Again, for tangent 60 degree, what's sine 60 degree over here? Is root 3 by 2. Okay, what's cos 60 degree over here? 1 by 2. Yeah? So root 3 by 2. into 2 by 1, 2 over, what would remain? Root 3. Keep it in here. 1, any number, divide by 0. Sine 90 degree is what? 1. Cos 90 degree is what? 0. Any number, divide by 0 is what? Infinity. You understood? So this is very easy. You can find any angle. So in the next chapter, or I mean in the next video, I'm gonna explain how you're gonna find for cotangent, secant, cosecant, and after that I'm gonna do it all over for 120, 145, or 160, 190, till up to 270, or up to till 360. I'm gonna teach you all, so that will be really easy for you that how to find the angle for all these. I hope it was helpful, and I hope it's like, sorry, I hope it was helpful for you all, and just comment me if you guys liked it, then I will make more videos for you all. I'm just trying to help you all for the mathematics, geometry, trigonometry, physics, and as well as for the calculus. And yeah, thank you.